Hello guys and welcome back. In this episode I'm just going to have to remove that chimney down. It's a very small chimney and I will have to remove it, then I will have to fill it, and also I will have to remove all the plaster from this wall because at the moment it's very weak and it's cracking and cracking and probably it wasn't touched from when this house was built, probably. And everything is quite easy to go. It's swallowed a little bit and in some places you can hear that it's empty, so we will try to do that entire wall again. Now with the chimney, there isn't any chimney pressed upstairs onto the loft or onto the house. I already removed the chimney from outside, so now it's just this small piece inside. Hopefully I'm not going to pass through the other side because that is the staircase and I don't want to damage that side, that wall. So this should be quite easy to take down. And I will start by removing the skirting and then we will see. So let's start to do this. Sorry guys, I managed to take all the skirting out all in one piece, and now I will start to break from the bottom to the top our small chimney. So, because now the chimney is all stripped of the plaster, you can actually see what's going on at the back and how the bricks are sitting. And now it's going to be quite easy to take everything off. Like I said, in the loft we don't have any chimney, so now it's quite easy to remove everything brick by brick. Now, I'm almost of the times I'm trying not to use any power tools because that is going to make a lot of dust. Now of course I'm all prepared now with the dust masks and glasses and everything to be more safe, but still, even now, when we are going to take the bricks out, that is going to create a lot of dust, even if you are going to do it by hand. So it's good to have one of these type of masks around, because the things that we are going to find inside these chimneys are not that healthy. So if you are thinking to do something like that, try to wear a mask always. I know I'm not doing it always, but you should. it will take a while. Now, of course, a power tool is going to do the job much quicker, and in fact we finish quicker, but this still needs a little bit of braking because it's not flush at the moment, and it's going to give me a lot of problems because the wall is not going to be even, and as you can see it's even moving, so it will need some attention. Anyway, for now I'm just going to put all that rubbish in the bags. So right, this part is quite finished, but now I will still need to take some out from this side, which is quite difficult because I don't want to break the wall on the other side. And meanwhile I was testing this to see how quick it's going to go down, and it's going quite quick. Of course, I'm going to concentrate more on that side because it's going to be late soon, and I don't want to use any power tools to disturb the neighbors. So I'm going to quickly chop down those bricks that are sticking out, and then they are not going to be flush with this wall right here. So all that extra needs to go out. Oh my God. And look at that. Now that was the easy part. Now who is going to get all the rubbish out? Ooh, a lot. And we still have here some dust everywhere, of course. Well, let's start to clean. Alright, so I started to take all the rubbish out, and I still can't believe I'm getting so much rubbish from just one small wall. I already put about 5-6 bags outside, and I still have these, and I didn't even scratch the surface. Crazy. Alright, so finally all the rubbish is out, and I even cleaned up space a little bit, and now I will start to fill up the gaps. I'm going to put some SBR on this wall, and then I'm going to start to put some hardwall on. But first of all, I will have to unblock this vent here, because somebody closed it. And yeah, then we are going to put a vent cover on top. But I'm going to open that, because probably one of those of the problems that this wall had, it was that is going to help with the air ventilation inside. So yeah, we decided to open that up, because it seems to me that before was a bathroom here or kitchen or something like that, because I see a pipe over there, that it's a lead pipe or something like that, and it looks like a waste pipe. So yeah, as you can see, the brickwork is not that okay, because it's sticking out some of the bricks. It's quite bad, and the thickness before was around 4-5 centimeter, about 50 mil, and hopefully we don't have to make it that thick. But if the bricks are going to poke out, I will have to put some more, and it will have to be done, because plasterboard in this kind of situations is not such a great idea, because the hardware is going to hold all the bricks together. So I think it's a better job if when you have walls like this, they will need filling. Then if you want to put the plasterboard on, stick it, or even make a frame, it will be a good idea, but it will have to be filled, not just plasterboard on top to hide like normally they do. So yeah, I will just take that one out. I have some SBR there. Start prepping for the hard wall. Alright guys, so in this bucket we have some sand, cement, plasticizer, And I also put some of these plaster fibers, and they look like this. And we mixed all together. And now I have some of the bricks there that I have taken it from the chimney, and I will have just to fill this place up. Well, I will do my best.